What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if mobile hotspot is not working on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down the circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the hotspot will start working. But if you are still facing the issue, then you can turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times to fix this issue. So turning on and off flight mode will refresh the signals, and refreshing the signals will help you to fix the hotspot issue. So that's how you can fix the hotspot not working issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.